woman that could take your spotlight.
Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Maria, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to properly install your clip-in hair extension. And if that's something that you're interested, then keep on watching. So these hair extensions are from Irresistible Me. They are their clip-ins and they are in the color natural black. They're 20 inches. I have purchased their tape-ins in the past, and personally I enjoy wearing clip-ins because, girl, I want to take the hair off at the end of the day. Like, I want to practice my natural hair care routine, which I can make a video for you, show you the little progress that I got going. But yeah, like, tape-ins, you can't really put oils in your hair because they'll slip right off. And that's the whole point of this video. We want to secure the hair, you know what I mean? Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and show you the actual hair extension. They do have a try-on section at the bottom, which I did make a short about it if you want to go watch that. They give you a 2-clip weft, which, as you can see, the quality of it is pretty good. So I'm going to go ahead and open up the rest. Try it on before you open the rest of the package, so you could get your money back or get a different hair color. So let's see, we're gonna peel this off. They come in this little bag. It says just Irresistible Hair. Like I mentioned, I have purchased hair extensions from this company before and they remain pretty consistent with the quality of hair. I've only purchased their classic sets, which they do have an invisible line. I don't really know what the difference is. So their classic set does come with 7 wefts of hair, and this is their largest piece that has 4 clips in it. The band is a lot thicker than the front pieces, so this is probably going to be the one that I use at the very back and lowest section of my hair. So I'm going to go ahead and quickly show you what other pieces came in with the package. And for this hair tutorial, you will need rubber hair ties and a scrunchie or clip, whichever you prefer. Then you're going to be using the rubber hair ties to secure a small strand of hair where you are going to be placing the clip in order to secure the weft.
If I wrote you a symphony,
So I apologize if you thought I was going to do the whole process, but your girl tried filming it and I did not like the footage that I got. And I'm not just about to give you something half-assed, you know what I mean? So hopefully you could at least see that they are secured. I am brushing my hair. They haven't slipped out or anything like that. So, like, they're on there, they're secured, and that was the point of this video. If you want an in-depth video, I could make a separate one. For now, I'm gonna show you the results. And hopefully you enjoyed the video. Hopefully you subscribe, and catch you in my next video.
you're my lady, girl, you amaze me. Ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. And another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. And another woman that can take your spot, my love.